Hello, 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 Africa! Welcome everyone to my channel. I'm Zaneba from English for Africa channel, and welcome to the first brand new video of English for university students. In this lesson, I'm going to talk about academic English. It's all about academic English. So at the end of this video, you are going to get about what an academic English is, and then where, when, and why we use academic English. And lastly, I'm going to share with you the 4 effective tips that will help you to develop your academic English. So let's begin. Let's start it. So today we are going to begin from the very beginning, and that is academic English. And academic English is given in different countries in different forms, maybe as common courses. In Ethiopia too, it's also being given in 2 courses: communicative English skills and the basic writing skill. And this is the most important skill that you need mostly to be successful in your academic career. So that's why I'm starting this lesson 1 with academic English. So let's get to the definition of academic English. Academic English has been defined different ways, but these 2 definitions would be most important and easy to understand for you, I hope. Um, it has the genre of English that can be used in studies and the teaching learning process of most universities, higher academic institutions. The other definition given to academic English is it is the oral, written, listening and visual language proficiency that is any student can be required to be fluent and accurate in. So in your academic disciplines you are required to be competent to use this language. The next question is, where do we use it? Academic English is used in academic environment that is it's not confusing, it's right. So it gets something different than the others. It is formal as well as it is complex. That's why all of us are required to be competent in this scale. When do we use the academic English? First, when we give a presentation or when we listen to a talk on a given academic subject, we are using academic English. Second, when we are writing academic materials, when we are reading academic materials, it might be research papers, articles, journals, or any books that are meant to be for teaching learning process, they are used with academic English, so we use it in these circumstances. Third, when we participate in lectures, seminars, or academic discussions, that means it is used, academic English is used. So the biggest question, why do we need it? Most students in Ethiopia, from my experience, they neglect the academic English that's given in common course. Just for the sake of grade sake, they take the course. But these are the basis for your stay in the university. For the coming 3, 4, 5 years you are staying and learning in the campuses or in college, you are required to have it. And the reality is, you are studying, maybe right now you're studying in university or you are going to study in university. That means you need to have this skill. To your surprise, even native English language speakers are mandated or forced to learn academic English because it's somewhat different from the form of language we are using daily. That's why even native speakers are learning they are expected to learn academic English and to be competent in this scale. The 2 reasons that are spoken over years for the main reasons for why you are expected to learn this language is, firstly, academic institutions are formal teaching and learning environments. Hence, you need to have the right academic English, which is the formal language that is good or effective for that area. Second reason, It is a language that our students are expected to learn and achieve fluency in because of two reasons again. Because it helps you to convey your ideas properly, precisely, and objectively. That is why we are using academic English. Second, it is the language needed by students because it helps you to understand and communicate any ideas in your academic disciplines. So let's get to the four tips I'm going to share with you. If you want to develop your academic English, currently you need tip one, understanding of what the academic English is. And tip two, recognize. You need to recognize the importance of academic English. If you want to be successful, it means like this, the head and tail of a coin. There are two parts and you're required to achieve that. And recognize from this time on, you can develop it. Once you have understood and recognized the importance, you can develop your academic English skill easily. First, what you need to do is learn what it includes and the rules even, how it can be used. It's important. Just let me say something for you about what academic English includes. Firstly, it includes both productive and receptive skills. That means productive skills are, as you know, writing and speaking, and receptive skills are listening and reading. They are active skills that you need to acquire. Specifically, when you talk, it includes specialized vocabulary, words, phrases which are different from the daily conversation. Complex grammar structures are there. Maybe when you write sentences, paragraphs, it can be challenging for you unless you learn. Third, it includes conventional text structures. These conventional text structures are like rules that guides you to write, to speak in your academic disciplines. So let me give you an example. When you write an essay as an assignment, or when you write lab reports, when you communicate lab reports, research papers, even classroom activities. For instance, when you express your disagreement over an issue, when you are discussing an issue, even asking for clarification, everything has got its own rules. So you need to understand this conventional text structure. That's why you need to develop it. Last but not least, we come to practicing. This term or word is said over and over again in every discipline because it is important. If you want to develop your language skill, that means academic English, you need to listen. Listen to lectures, videos you can download from the internet. Listen how lectures happens going through. Even you can attend seminars. You have to read books, read articles, research papers, and again, don't forget to write. Don't give your assignments to be written by another person. You have to practice by writing by your own source, by your own. Speaking is important. You need to speak out in the classroom. You need to speak in discussions, panel discussions, seminars. Even asking a given question is what I advise you to have. So these are the four tips I want to share with you. Now, remember that the next lesson is going to be about 2 pointers: the features or characteristics of academic English, or what makes academic English different from the other genres of academic English. And secondly, it's going to be about the importance of academic English. But until then, keep what you are doing now. Keep the good work. Keep practicing. And next time, we are going to develop upon what you are doing now. So I'll be seeing you next time with another lesson next Friday. But until then, thanks for watching and see you next Friday. Bye for now. Bye Africa. Bye.